Hi, today I'm going to make these fluffy, airy, fragrant banana cupcakes, so soft, light, and healthy too. And I'm going to talk about our body. Yes, our body, which sometimes we ignore or take it for granted. Our body is a manifestation of our mind and soul. It has its own intelligence or consciousness. Our body always tells us about our situation. For example, let's say we overwork ourselves. Our body will give signal to the other part of our organs to, let's say, manifest flu or sickness or another scenario for us to get some rest, slow down, and stop for a moment. When we are out of alignment with our soul and truth, our body will react. In my case, I used to have a 7 cm cyst in my womb that made me question everything about my life situation and do the thing that I always afraid of. My body makes me rethink and reevaluate everything in my life, which at the moment is a very critical point. So I want you to take this moment to connect with each part of our organs, just like a body scan. For example, I thank my eyes for giving me such a clear vision so I can see beautiful things. I thank my nose for letting me smell this banana cupcake, smell my children, and smell the rain when it hits the soil. I thank my heart for being stronger every time, containing my sadness and providing me with unlimited love. I thank my whole body for being a vessel so I can do everything that I always want to. I think every illness begins by suppressing or numbing certain emotion and feeling. So, we can use our illness or unpleasant situation to uncover a hidden gem or a new pathway. I know it is not easy, especially when we are too far away. Take your time, breathe, and sometimes the best thing we can do is just surrender and allowing. Truly surrender means that we are no longer want things to be different than this now moment. We may not be happy with this illness or this situation, but we can be at peace with being not happy and just allow it. Allow anything that is happening right now. Surrender to it and be at peace with it. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please subscribe if you are resonating with me. I will see you again soon. Bye.